Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, all the participant and committee of International Conference and Contemporary Science and Clinical Pharmacy 2024. In this occasion, I would like to present the research about optimization of 2018 and pluronic F127 in the formulation of nanoemulsion of cardamom essential oil, Ammonium compactum solens, and in vitro anti-aging activity assay. The researchers are Rini Agustin, I am Aulia Silsadila, and Friardi Esmat. There are active substances of cardamom essential oil, Ammonium compactum solens, such as eucalyptol and alpha-tetmineol, have anti-aging benefits. The advantage of nanoemulsion delivery system is offers enhanced skin absorption attribute to the small size of its globules. Twin 18 and pluronic F127 as surfactant and co-surfactant, also cardamom essential oil has pharmacological activity such as anti-aging. However, the biological activity of essential oil is greatly influenced by their chemical composition. This study aims to determine the anti-aging activity of cardamom essential oils as nanoemulsion formulas with its enhanced skin absorption advantage. Method of this research is nanoemulsion formula proportion data entered into SPSS test to analyze optimal formula with normality and decay test. Then the optimal formula is chosen to develop new formula. New formula test for its anti-aging activity through in vitro test consists of anti-tyrosinase, anti-elastase, and anti-hyaluronidase test. Also, new formula evaluation for its nanoemulsion criteria that consists organoleptic test, viscosity test, nanoemulsion type test, and stability test. The results from normality and decay tests are optimal formula consists of 8.5 twin 18, 1.5 gram pluronic F127, 1.5 milliliter aqueous, 0.2 milliliter essential oil, 0.2 milliliter grapeseed oil. The initial research developed into formulations for cardamom essential oil, grapeseed oil, and a combination of cardamom essential oil and grapeseed oil. We do anti-aging activities, and the results are below. Mixed formula has the best anti-aging activity due to lowest IC50 value indicate the strongest activity to inhibit anti-aging enzyme. Most of our formula shows good IC50 value. Unfortunately, we don't get IC50 value for anti-elastase test because limited solubility of sample with buffer. This HCl pH 8. We do evaluation to nanoemulsion criteria such as organoleptic test to see color, odor, and consistency. Transmittant with spectrophotometer UV vis in range 19 to 100%. pH with pH meters in range 4 to 8. Global size and polydispersity index to analyze the stability due to the size and distribution of global formula in range 10 to 100 nanometers. Potential zeta with zeta sizer at temperature of 25 degrees Celsius in range plus 30 or lower than minus 30. Nanoemulsion type, which are oil in water or water in oil, with coloring method using lisochrome diazo or Sudan 3. Viscosity with viscometer Brookfield spindle number 3 in range 10 to 2000 centipoise. Stability with phase and tau cycle method at a temperature of minus 5 and 25 degrees Celsius 6 cycles. Also centrifuge method at 3000 and 500 RPM for 30 minutes long. We analyze the organoleptic-like consistency and phase separations. These are the results for organoleptic where mixed formula and essential oil formula have typical ammonium aroma due to the essential oils consist in formula. Grapeseed formula has typical twin aroma because grapeseed oil has no odor. All formula organoleptic shows good nanoemulsion criteria. Mixed formula, which has best anti-aging activity, has a viscosity at a 394 centipoise. Also with oil in water nanoemulsion type. We do freeze and thaw stability to nanoemulsion formula with the results below. The formula appearance shows yellow color due to twin 80 also kept stable due to twin 80 and Pluronic F127 consists a concentration higher than 30%. The result of centrifuge stability is formula kept stable after a shock by centrifugal force or centrifugator at 3500 rpm at 30 minutes. The result of global size is 11.5 nanometers in range nanoemulsion criteria due to surfactant and co-surfactant used to minify global. Also, Pi is 0.155 in range that lower than 0.5. Mixed formula has small potential zeta at minus 20.2 MV. The negative charge comes from free fatty acid in grapeseed oil. Lastly, the conclusion is the proportions of the nanoemulsion formula that meets the criteria were 8.5 ml twin 80, 1.5 gram Pluronic F127, and 1.5 ml Aquades with 0.2 ml for each ammonium essential oil and grapeseed oil. Transmittance, pH, particle size, polydispersity index, potential zeta, and viscosity of mixed essential oil and grapeseed oil formula meets the criteria, which are 99.2 plus minus 0.3%, 7.44 plus minus 0.3, 10.8 nanometers, plus minus 0.5%, 0.207 plus minus 0.1 nanometers, minus 19.33 plus minus 1.5 MV, 394 centipoise with oil water type and has typical ammonium aroma. In vitro anti-aging assay, the mixed formula of essential oil and grapeseed oil actively inhibit antithyrosinase with an IC50 value of 2.45 microliter per milliliters, inhibit elastase enzyme 47.6% at a concentration of 20 microliter per milliliters, and actively inhibit the hyaluronidase enzyme with an IC50 of 4.80 microliter per milliliters. Mixed essential oil and grapeseed oil formula was found to be thermodynamically and kinetically stable. For the acknowledgement, this research was funded by BRIN LPDP through Scheme LEEM 2023. That's all for the presentation. Thank you for all the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.